If you're tired of loud alarms waking up everyone around you, the Histrips wrist alarm sounds like a pretty smart idea. But is it actually legit? Or is this just another gadget with big promises? I looked into the Histrips Onyx wrist alarm, and honestly, the answer is a little more complicated. The main idea is simple. Instead of making a loud noise, the wristband uses vibrations to wake you up. So, in theory, you can wake up without disturbing your partner, roommate, or anyone else. And I really like that idea. It's also designed to be simple. You wear it, set your alarm, and go to sleep. But here's where I started having some doubts. Customer reviews are very mixed. Some people say the vibration works great. They say it wakes them up without needing a phone alarm. Others say the vibration is simply too weak, especially for heavy sleepers. There are also complaints about the strap and shipping delays. One reviewer said the band felt cheap and the strap came loose. Another said their alarm barely woke them up. But to be fair, there are plenty of positive reviews too. Some customers say it works exactly as advertised. Others praise the company's customer service when something goes wrong. So, is Histrips a scam? Based on what I found, I wouldn't call it a scam. The product appears to be real. People are receiving it, and many customers are happy with it. But I also wouldn't call it a guaranteed solution for heavy sleepers. For me, that's the biggest warning. If you want a silent alarm, Histrips could be worth considering. But if you're an extremely heavy sleeper, I would keep a backup